I took the Evade Stealth Cobra to the library to do some work today. So later in this video, I'm going to show you how I load it up. So let's pack up the Evade for a day into the office. We'll start with the front. It's the Air Slim Tech pouch, got everything that I need in there. Drop this at the very bottom. I love this area where it's way bigger than it looks and it's perfect for a pouch. Here I like to put in my kind of mini med kit. It has, you know, wipes, Tylenol and stuff like that in there. Small. Goes right here so that if I need it I can grab it very, very quickly. Let's switch to the back for a second and get the electronics packed up. It's a bright orange interior, well padded. 13-inch MacBook Pro. Basically, can get it to show on camera. Basically kind of disappears. I got this new portable display, 15-inch, very, very big. So let's see. Oh, actually, this is great. So, not quite two laptops as you can see, but the 15-inch display and then my MacBook Pro kind of hiding in there, just to show you again. Right, so double thickness together, it's about less than an inch, but plenty of space. Debating whether to put my iPad in there. So iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's see. Yeah, I think it actually fits. So, like as I said, that portable display is brand new. I just got it yesterday, so never had so many electronic flat items in the bag. But that works, so that was good. Main area, I really don't carry that much stuff, so usually this is pretty empty. Need to make some calls, so I'm gonna use this cool pouch here. My trusty best headphones ever for a making conference call. It's the Plantronics Focus, Voyager Focus. So I'm going to throw that in there, honestly, doesn't really matter. Small pouch that has a Anker charger in there, the slim charger. Not the most powerful, but good enough for the small MacBook Pro. I like to leave this up top so that I can get to it quicker when I'm at a destination. Miscellaneous stuff, camera because I want to film some more when I'm there. Hoodie, just in case AC got crazy. Let's set this up. Back to the front. So normally I don't really put too much stuff in the organizer, surprisingly, even though I like this because I'm a pouch person. But things like hand sanitizer these days is good. Mask, so I'm just shoving them in there. There are two pockets, right? So this is the pocket from the organizer, and there's this little hidden one, well, a little bit hidden in the back, that is part of the pack. I usually throw my wallet in there because I don't really use my wallet. Keep the keys up front. I could hook it on there, but again, I don't really use it. That's it. Cell phone, padded pocket. I could put my phone in there, but well, just to show you it fits, but of course I usually carry this on me anyway. And I realize, always forget my mouse. So you know, I'm just going to throw it in there. This is real packing, not staged, I guess. Water bottle. Put in the new. Oops, hard to do it with the camera in my way, but so it's really not that hard, but I'm maneuvering around the camera here. The new Pathfinder style water bottle pocket. There you go, so that's ready to go. 18.12.
Just want to show you how the bag wear on body. I am 5'7" or 170 centimeters tall. Here I am at the library unpacking from the Evade, getting down to work. The Evade Stealth Cobra really is a special version of a already great bag, the original Evade 1.5.